अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। क्या हाल है? उम्मीद है मेरे तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड? आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। एक बार फिर से आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं आज का मेरा टॉपिक गेट अल्फा थर्ड पॉइंट्स कैरनवल इशू टू ट्रेड टू शेयर 200 000 क्रॉस एंड अल्फा पॉइंट्स। तो हम इसी पर आप दोस्तों से आज हम बात करेंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड? टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम, हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड डे एंड गुड टू सी यू ऑल माय लवली फ्रेंड। तो चलते हैं अपने आज के प्रोजेक्ट के टॉपिक तरफ, और आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड जितनी भी मालूमात है तमाम तरह से शेयर करूंगा, ताकि आप दोस्तों को प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से तमाम तर मालूमात हो सके। ये जो इवेंट है Create Live Alpha Third Points Annual Issue 2 Trade to Share 200 000 Cross and Alpha Point, और इसी पर आज हम बात करेंगे और इसी पर हमारा आज का टॉपिक रहेगा। तो तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि तवज्जो से सुनिएगा। मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको इससे रिलेटेड तमाम तर मालूमात भी दे सकें। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माई लवली फ्रेंड। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोजेक्ट नाउ। थैंक यू आप दोस्तों का गेट द फ्रेंड। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लवली गेट फ्रेंड। आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और बाकायदा तौर पे हम अपनी स्ट्रीम को स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू द नो टाइम गेट यूज़र एंड अदर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। So, my dear friend, now the Gate Alpha third points Canval issue 2 trade to share 200 000 cross and Alpha points to celebrate the global debut of cross on the Alpha. Then second issue of the Gate Alpha's third points Canval is now live trade to share 100 000 cross and Alpha points. Thank you so much at token and Auda, thank you Auda and token, thank you। तो आगे चलते हैं। नाउ द क्वीन क्रॉस CROSS क्रॉस फुल नेम क्रॉस एंड पब्लिक चेन BNB चेन। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस आपके सामने मौजूद है और प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन की तरफ चलते हैं। आपको थोड़ा सा प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से इंट्रोडक्शन करा दें। द क्रॉस इज द गेमी optimized lawyer one block chain with full EVM and compatibility, offered models infrastructure for one-chain games, including SDKs, ADEX, and Bridge and Wallet. Thank you, Gate user and a token and other Gate friends. Thanks so much for joining. Thank you, lovely friend. Now, once again, I tell you, my dear friend, the cross tokens powers gas governance and staking with fixed supply and no future maintaining. The maintain and wallet are already live to cross is activity onboardings game. Thank you so much for joining Sunrish and Nisha Crypto and Al Shariri. Thank you so much, Nisha Crypto. Good to see you, Nisha. Have a nice day and good day. Now, my dear friend, now you see today my once again project topic now Gate Live Alpha Points Canvan Cross Project Review, और आपको मैं रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। The project aims to scale Web3 among by the bringing Web2 level performance with the decentralization ownership. थैंक यू वंस अगेन, आपका शुक्रिया। तो अभी ज्वाइन करते हैं इवेंट को दोस्तों हम। थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड गेट यूजर अल शरीरी, थैंक यू सो मच। तो आप देख सकते हैं गेट अल्फा थर्ड पॉइंट्स कैनुअल इशू ट्रेड टू शेयर 200 000 क्रॉस एंड अल्फा पॉइंट्स। तो हम इसे ज्वाइन करेंगे अभी। थैंक यू सो मच। सबसे पहले इसको हम ज्वाइन करते हैं, फिर आगे की तरफ चलेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। नाउ क्लिक ज्वाइन Now is the required the system to record your data. Number 2, only used for the meeting to requirement are eligible for the reward. Please the event rules carefully. Thank you. Next one है जिसका जी Gate Alpha, the third Canval 1000000 prize pool, all alive. Everyone can claim 1100 USD points from the activity will be accumulated into the total points of Gate Alpha 3 points Canval. Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए अनीसा. Have a nice day. And trade to get 150 cross. May and to get airdrop. My reward. Trade 200 USD to earn 1 alpha point. And now the trade 300 to earn alpha 2 point. Thank you so much. तो अभी हम इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं दोस्तों. आपके सामने मौजूद है हमारा आज का टॉपिक गेट लाइव अल्फा पॉइंट कैनवल प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू. और इसी पर आपको रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ. थैंक यू जुड़ने के लिए. तो ज्वाइन करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. तो हम ज्वाइन करके इसमें हमारी रजिस्ट्रेशन कंप्लीट हो चुकी है दोस्तों. थैंक यू वंस अगेन. Now Gate Alpha third points Canval 1000000 prize pool alive. Every one can claim 100 USDD points from the activity will be accumulated into the total points of the Gate Alpha third Canval event. तो इसको भी ज्वाइन करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूजर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. वेलकम गेट यूजर फ्रेंड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. थैंक फॉर द कमेंट्स माय गेट यूजर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच. तो चलते हैं. गेट अल्फा थर्ड पॉइंट्स कैनवल 1000000 प्राइस पूल अलाइव. एवरीवन कैन क्लेम 100. थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूजर फ्रेंड. आई एम गुड माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने का. आई एम गुड डियर. हाउ अबाउट यू माय लवली फ्रेंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. थैंक यू टू. वेलकम. हैव अ नाइस डे माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. हैव अ नाइस डे गेट योर फ्रेंड. और डिस्कवरी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग डिस्कवरी. थैंक यू. वेलकम. खुश आमदी. हालन वसालन मरहबा डिस्कवरी. थैंक यू माय लवली फ्रेंड डिस्कवरी. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हैव अ नाइस डे एंड गुड टू सी यू डियर फ्रेंड. आल्सो गुड टू सी यू माय लवली फ्रेंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड. आपका भी शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. सो द अताउल्ला अफरीदी. थैंक यू सो मच अताउल्ला. आपका भी बेहद शुक्रिया अताउल्ला. थैंक यू सो मच गेट द फ्रेंड. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. हाउ कैन आई हेल्प डिस्कवरी क्रिप्टो. आई मरहबा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लवली कमेंट्स. थैंक्स माय डियर फ्रेंड डिस्कवरी. Thank you so much. How can I help? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, dear friend. जो भी आपका दिल करे. Anyhow. Thank you, dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया आपने मुझे ज्वाइन किया. Thank you once again. And also thank you. Can I get one? As you wish, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Discovery Crypto Eye, how are you? I am good, my lovely friend Crypto Eye. Oh, sorry, Crypto. Oh, Discovery. आपका शुक्रिया. How about you? और वेलकम क्रिप्टो चैंपियन आल्सो. आपका भी शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. आपकी तरफ से गिफ्ट आया. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. इसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया. अशोक सदाम उल हर्ब गेट द फ्रेंड. आपका भी शुक्रिया. डिस्कवरी. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम फाइन. आपका गेट द फ्रेंड 6BC383C4. थैंक्स फॉर द कमेंट्स माय लवली फ्रेंड्स। आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और फॉलो करने के लिए भी बहुत शुक्रिया। तो आप देख रहे हैं मेरा आज का जो टॉपिक है हम उस पर बात कर रहे हैं और आपको तमाम तरह रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से। थैंक यू dear friend, thank you so much, and also my lovely best friend Discovery, thank you so much Discovery, have a nice day। and आपका बेहद शुक्रिया Discovery। क्रिप्टो आई अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम फाइन, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अना बखैर, थैंक यू सो मच, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अना बखैर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। आपकी तरफ से भी गिफ्ट लगा दोस्तों के लिए, तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया डिस्कवरी। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अना बखैर, मेरी तरफ से भी थैंक यू सो मच। तो निशा क्रिप्टो, थैंक यू सो मच निशा, हैव अ नाइस डे निशा, एंड गुड टू सी यू, एंड आल्सो गुड टू सी यू माय लवली फ्रेंड डिस्कवरी, थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी। आप आते हैं, यू कम ऑन माय लाइफ इज वेरी ब्राइट, थैंक यू सो मच। तो चलते हैं गेट अल्फा थर्ड पॉइंट की जानिब। Canval 1000000 price pool alive, everyone chain claim 100 USDD। Now what is the gate alpha? तो इंट्रोडक्शन इसका भी बताता चलूं। Gate alpha interrogates early stage and promising on the chain tokens into the gate trading platform, allowing user to directly purchase on chain token with USD from the exchange। Thank you so much once again, आप दोस्तों का शुक्रिया। This initiative future combine and the advantage of CEX and DEX and trading scientification, ensuring the locality, capital efficiency and user participation convince। Thank you so much Crypto I, it is nice to see you, thank you so much। And Crypto Champion, thank you so much for the lovely comments। Watching your life is honestly a valuable, the way you the interact and ensuring and stay real with your audience is just amazing, keep shining, you to doing awesome। thank you so much, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया डिस्कवरी एंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। आप दोनों ही खूबसूरत से फ्रेंड हैं, आप तमाम दोस्तों का बहुत शुक्रिया। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, थैंक्स फॉर द कमेंट्स माय lovely friend Crypto Champion, thank you for the joining, thank you so much, just amazing, thank you so much। Now the next one, I tell you dear friend, yes, in liquidity, capital efficiency and user participation convince, providing a more seamless experience for the exploring project in the Web3 ecosystem। तो ये है व्हाट इज द गेट अल्फा एंड नाउ व्हाट आर द गेट अल्फा पॉइंट। तो अभी आपको गेट अल्फा पॉइंट की तरफ ले चलते हैं दोस्तों। अल्फा पॉइंट्स आर इवेंट एक्सक्लूसिव क्रेडिट लॉन्चेड बाय द गेट अल्फा valid with the each event cycle and surviving this while of proof of the eligibility for the event reward. Upon event completion, the current cycle gate alpha points will be restored to a zero and not carried over to the next cycle points will be restored to zero and not create over to the next cycle। How to earn points? Trading on Gate Alpha, earning friends, joining new airdrop event and version, and the activity you have every action। Thank you so much for joining once again Discovery, Crypto Champion and Gate user friend, thank you for joining, thank you for the comments my dear friend। Now the Gate Alpha third point Canval series activities। Now my dear friend, you see today my topic Gate Alpha, Gate Live Alpha points Canval project review, and I tell you the review of this project my dear friend। in this time I tell you the Gate Alpha third point Canval series activities, thank you। Now the Gate Alpha third points Canval continue the first season, the mechanism of the single participation, multiple initiative and stakeable points for the individual activities to ensure user receive clear point formality reform with the arrangement, thank you। The new season also introduced to daily trading check in the system with the more trade more points model, uploading and finance for the user different trading volume. Alpha points can be used to unlock exclusive airdrop, join prize pool, Ciplet, and the other elements enable the continue accumulation, the combined growth of reward. Thank you, dear friend, and चुटकी पेट्रोल, थैंक यू सो मच चुटकी पेट्रोल, आपका भी शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए, थैंक यू सो मच चुटकी, हैव अ नाइस डे चुटकी। The gate alpha third point canval ongoing now. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the gate alpha third point canval 1000000 prize pool alive. Everyone can claim 100. The third gate alpha coin canval is now live. Earn points by trading alpha token. Now inviting friends to make their first trade, joining new token campaigning, and the participation in daily trading check-in. Everyone has the chance to claim a 100 token mystery box with over 1000000 in total reward waiting to be shared. Thank you once again. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। The event period July 3, 2025 to UTC to July 20, 2025 1559 UTC। तो इसका ज्वाइन पीरियड आपके सामने मौजूद है, अभी इसको हम ज्वाइन करते हैं। Now the gate alpha point canval, आप देख सकते हैं गेट एनुअल 1000000 टोटल प्राइस पूल प्लस 100 रिवॉर्ड फॉर एवरी वन। इवेंट एंड आपके सामने मौजूद है, 12 दिन है, 2 घंटे 32 सेकेंड। थैंक यू सो मच, आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आप देख सकते हैं गेट एल्पा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। थैंक यू सो मच। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। थैंक यू वंस अगेन। नाउ यू सी क्लिक ज्वाइन नाउ टू एलिजिबल फॉर द रिवॉर्ड and points. Only trading volume after the registration contents. Event 1 trade design tokens to earn double reward. Now the event 1 trade design token to earn double reward. During the event trade to design token and meet the requirement trading volume to receive both token airdrop reward alpha points। तो आपके सामने ये मौजूद है टोकन एंड एक्लूमेटरी बाय वॉल्यूम ट्रेडिंग airdrop रिवॉर्ड और पॉइंट्स आपके सामने ये तमाम दर टेबल, आप इस टेबल को बखूबी दे सकते हैं। थैंक यू स्काईफॉल, थैंक यू सो मच स्काईफॉल एंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड, आपका शुक्रिया। तो ये टेबल आपके सामने है, अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। इवेंट 2 जनरेट 100 टोकन माइस्ट्री बॉक्स। थैंक यू वंस अगेन, आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आप देख सकते हैं गेट लाइव, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, आपका शुक्रिया स्काईफॉल, आपका भी शुक्रिया। नाउ द इवेंट जनरेट 200 टोकन माइस्ट्री बॉक्स। Now complete there of the following tasks during the event period to receive 100 worth of the token mastery box. The ultimate winner reward are issued upon the completion. Thank you Shine One Crypto, thank you Shine One Crypto and how we love, thank you Make Money Too, आपका भी शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। Thank you for joining both friend. So let's once again I tell you dear friend, the option number 1, trade on alpha with daily buy volume of 100,000 USD of the at last 1 day 10 days. Once again I tell you my dear friend, option number 1, trade on alpha with the daily buy volume of 1000 USD for at last 10 days. Option number 2, reach a total buy volume of 20,000 USD on alpha during the event. तो 2 ऑप्शन आपके सामने मौजूद हैं, चलें आगे की तरफ। नोट, इफ बोथ conditions are met, only 100 mastery box will be reward are not stakeable. Thank you. Make money. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion and Discovery. Thank you. And the Kate user, thank you so much. Now the next one I tell you, my dear friend, the event number 3, daily check in for alpha points. Earn alpha points by completing daily check-ins. Each check in the required separator registration each day. Stay tuned for the upcoming announcement and check in the instructions. Thank you. The next one, event number 4, provide alpha points based on the commutation by the volume. Accumulate by volume on gate alpha during the event period to earn third alpha points reward based on the total volume. तो आगे सामने एक और दिखा सकता हूँ टेबल. The accumulate by volume points and accumulate points. 10,000 USD 20 points and 20,000 USD 10.30, 3,000 USD 10 point and 40 accumulate points, and now 40,000 10.50 accumulate, and now 50,000 USD about 10.60 accumulate point. Thank you Kate Live ज्वाइन करने के लिए. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया. तो अभी आगे चलते हैं, इवेंट नंबर 5 की जानिब चलते हैं दोस्तों. इवेंट नंबर 5, earn 5 alpha point on your first trade during the event period. User who complete their first trade in the alpha trading zone with a transaction amount of 50 USDD will receive 5 alpha point. Thank you so much Kate User friend and make money. Shine on crypto, आपका भी शुक्रिया. How love story, thank you so much, and crypto macbook, thank you Kate your friend. Now the event number 6, I tell you dear friend, you see today my topic, my dear friend, Gale Live alpha points Canval project review. Thank you so much Kate your friend, thank you so much once again. Now number 6, event number 6, Kaya 07, thank you. Event 6, invite friends and earn up to 100 alpha point. Thank you. Invite user thought your unique referral link from the event page. When an invite user completes the first trade in the alpha trading zone with a transaction amount of 50 USDD, you will receive 2 alpha points per successful invite. Each user can earn up to 100 alpha points in the total. Thank you once again Xwin. Thank you so much beginner and Xwin. Thank you both friends for joining. Now the next one I tell you, Gate Alpha Point Reward Pool. Points Reward Pool. Thank you. White Space and Newspaper आपके सामने मौजूद है. ये रिवॉर्ड पूल का सिस्टम आप देख सकते हैं. Thank you the Lukashta. Thank you. Now once again I tell you the accumulate by volume points and accumulate points. अभी ये टेबल आप दोस्तों के साथ मैंने शेयर किया है. अभी हम आगे चलते हैं. Now how to check your total points in the third alpha point. How to check your total points third alpha points Canval. Thank you Ataullah Fridi, आपका भी शुक्रिया. 1, on any event page of third alpha points Canval, the point displayed under my rewards responds to the total alpha points you have earning during this round. This data is updated within the maximum of 5 hours. Thank you Ataullah Fridi. What are the gate alpha points? Alpha points are event specific points launched by the gate alpha. They are valid only within a single campaigning period and serve as a proof for the reward distribution. Thank you Gate digital friend, thank you so much for joining, and thank you Discovery once again for joining. Now once again I tell you my dear friend, what are the alpha point? Gate alpha point. Alpha points are event specific points launched by the gate alpha. They are valid only within a single campaigning period as reserved as a proof for the reward distribution. After combining ends, all alpha points from that reward will be cleared and will not carry over to the next phase. Thank you. The Hassan Bad. Thank you. The Siki आई एंड इब्रार इब्रार हुसैन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आपने ज्वाइन किया। इब्रार, कैसे हैं आप, कहाँ गुम थे आप? नाउ द साई की फेस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। Now the next one, my dear friend, I tell you the attention. The Barrett Lee फास्ट बॉलर जो थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के, ब्रेटली, ये हैं ब्रेटली। Now the attention, my dear friend, 16-year-old and singles. Now all the participation must complete identity verification KYC2 before claiming any reward. The number 2, reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the event end. Now number 3, in the points pool 1, each user can receive up to 10 worth of token mastery box reward. In points pool 2, each user can receive up to 20 worth of token mastery box reward. Thank you. In points pool 3, each user can receive up to 100 worth of token mastery box reward. Explain, thank you. Great, dear friend, thank you so much. Now number 4, each user can receive maximum 100 worth of token mastery box reward in event 1. Now number 5, my dear friend, user who complete option 1 event 2 will get 1 alpha point as a reward. Now number 6, when accessing gate alpha for the first time, user must follow instruction to complete the quiz on the initiative trading disclosure and sign in the related user agreement. Thank you. Now the gate alpha listed token may carry higher risk and price volatility. Please ensure you are fully understand to risk before initiative. Thank you. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Thank you once again. Get the friend. The bulk. Thank you. Number 7. Bulk registration of small account. Bulk registration of small account milkways where the trading, self-trading, and other cheating behavior are strictly prohibited. Multiple account of the same verified user will be treated as the same account. Now number 8, the market enterprises and institutional and agent accounts are not allowed to participate in the event. Thank you, Mr. Bitboy. Thank you, Bitboy. Have a nice day, Bitboy. Now number 8, if a user participation in multiple events held during the same period, the reward for the multiple event participation are not spotted to the duplicate claims. Only reward for a single event participation are spotted. Skyfall, thank you. Bradley, thank you so much. Now number 10, if there any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version, original shall prevail. Thank you, Kate user, once again. The Punke Magro. Oh, Kate the friend, once again joining. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. Have a nice day. And good to see you once again on my live stream. Thank you so much for joining, my lovely friend. Kate the friend, thank you so much. Now the number 11, Gate reserves the sole discretion and all right to interpret this event for the activity and has the right to the model relevant of cancel the event without the prior notice. Thank you. 1000 Fantastic. Thank you. Now number 12, my dear friend. This event is not related to Apple Link. Number 13, user in UK and the other registered area cannot use all or part of the service, including participation in the event, game, or competition. For details, information about the registered areas, please read user agreement. Please note that we do not enter to the socialist. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. Market to consumer in the such registered area. Thank you, Sanix. Double one, thank you. Senix 1020, thank you so much. So the next one, the team, Gate team, July 3rd, 2025. Thank you so much for joining. Shakura3434 for joining. Thank you so much, Shakura. Have a nice day and good to see you. Thank you for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you. Now the daily trading check in the points. Now once again I tell you, my dear friend, the alpha Gate alpha Canval July 3rd trading check. हम इसको चेक करते हैं अभी. Now Gate alpha 3rd points Canval trading check in July 3rd. आज के दिन का हम चेक करते हैं तो देख सकते हैं Gate alpha थैंक यू सो मच. अभी इसका तो खत्म हो गया है. द नेक्स्ट वन Gate alpha पॉइंट. थैंक यू सो मच. और अभी आपके सामने मौजूद है Gate alpha point Canval July 4 trading and Gate alpha point Canval July 5 trading, Gate alpha 6 trading and 7 and 8. तो आज 8 है तो हम आज को ओपन करते हैं. थैंक यू गेट यूजर. नाउ यू सी द Gate alpha 3rd point Canval ट्रेडिंग चेक. अभी आप देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. तो इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. रजिस्ट्रेशन हमारी हो चुकी है. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. द मेक मनी 2. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच. मेक मनी 2 Shakura and Gate user friend. आपका द Gate alpha 2nd point Canval complete. तो अभी हम चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. तो ये इसकी डेट थी, ये कंप्लीट हो चुका है दोस्तों, आपके सामने मौजूद है. Gate alpha 2nd point ये कंप्लीट है हमारा. अभी हम आगे की तरफ चल रहे हैं. Gate alpha ensuring the points Canval complete. तो ये सारे हो चुके हैं. अभी फेज 1 और फेज 2 की तरफ. Skyfall, the Senix, thank you so much Nike, Senix and Skyfall. थैंक यू बहुत फ्रेंड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया. तो अभी हम मौजूद हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के ऊपर. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच once again Gate user. Thank you Skyfalls, ZX feeding and other friend. Thank you so much ZX. Thank you virtual and natural. Thank you Mehdi Hassan Rafi. Welcome to join my live stream Mehdi Hassan Rafi. तो वेबसाइट के ऊपर मौजूद हैं दोस्तों हम. तो चलते हैं अभी आगे की तरफ. तो क्रॉस की वेबसाइट आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों. थैंक यू सो मच क्रॉस. दिस वेबसाइट यूज कुकीज. थैंक यू once again for joining my dear friend. This is the website of this level up link in crossover and member of cross tokens remaining 01477771110. Now the 104 million sold at the private sales. Total sold 92.61. Thank you Shagohi and Skyfall. James Van, thank you so much. Now the next one, the cross public scale and it unload the token will performance about 1 cross 0.01. I agree the term of use received token Binance Web3 tokens and the Max and the Max. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the official website of this project, my dear friend. Thank you. Now please carefully review the token sale terms of user white paper, risk disclosure and the maintenance of this site before the occupation term and pushing the cross and participating in governance. Now please, thank you so much Shimlos, thank you. Please enter while to details amount of last requirement to the 10 cross token. If you will enter the declare, it will be automatic rewarding done. Thank you, Xwin. Now the gate fees sport is one-time benefits available exclusive by user who have complete wallet connection and identity verification. Thank you, Kaya. Senix, thank you so much, Senix. Now the next one, the sale structure. You see, my dear friends, sale structure, sale period, my 15 2025, my 2025. Now the token price 0.10. Now the FDV 10000000000. Thank you so much. Make money, walk and see. Now total supply 100000000. Allocation supply 96000000. Now the purchasing limit minimum, no maximum, and the funding method USD, USDC, and USD P20 only. Now the participation eligible. Thank you so much for joining Walk and See, and once again joining Crypto Champion. आपकी तरफ से खूबसूरत कमेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। तो अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं, पार्टिसिपेशन एलिजिबल की तरफ। नॉट अवेलेबल to US person for the person or entities while a resident citizen or related in the United Kingdom and any member state of European Union, Switzerland, or any jurisdiction subject to international section. Thank you, Crypto Champion, once again for your big gift. Thank you so much for Gate user friends, Substance and Zeta C, Atlog Alan Lee Ali V2. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. आपकी तरफ से बेहद शुक्रिया. May your consistency and energy are also inspire. You are not just stream, you are playing. Community proud of you, bro. Thank you for the your lovely comments, my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. Once again, claim 1978. Welcome, my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. Also, thanks my dear user friend once again. The Substance XB Zeta Chai Atlog Me Atlog Alan Ali. Thank you. आपका एक बार फिर को खुश आमदीद. Welcome. Thank you so much, my once again lovely friend. Oh, welcome. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया, आपने भी ज्वाइन किया. आपको खुश आमदीद. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक हमारे एक उभरते हुए सितारे हैं, न्यू कमर हैं और खूबसूरत स्ट्रीम करते हैं. लाइव स्ट्रीम में खूबसूरती अगर आप देखनी है तो क्रिप्टो मैकबुक की लाइव स्ट्रीम देखें. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. द पार्टिसिपेशन एलिजिबिलिटी वंस अगेन आई टेल यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, नॉट अवेलेबल टू यूएस पर्सन or person of entries with the resident citizen are located in the United Kingdom, any member state of the European Union, Switzerland, on any jurisdiction subject introduction sentence. Access to the OK sale and be restricted for the identity verification KYC to the provide participation from individual in the jurisdiction. Thank you so much. Crypto MacBook, thank you. Seamless and Crypto MacBook, thank you so much. I am good, my lovely friend Crypto MacBook. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ दोस्त. आप सुनाएं कि आप कैसे हैं. Thank you for joining and thank you for the comments. Crypto MacBook, thanks for the application me. Thank you so much. You deserving, my dear friend. Thank you. Now the next one, token allocation, my dear friend. The token allocation, token distribution will not occur immediately upon the purchase. The purchase and cross will be delivered at the later time in the connection with the designing token generation event TGE. The timing and details of which will be announcement throughout the official cross protocols mechanism channels, including to Telegram, Medium, and the official account. For the variance of about the token deliver mechanism will be a same as that of private contributor. Thank you so much, my lovely friend AG21, Nawab Enterprises, thank you Nawab Saab, and Toblets, thank you, and Crypto MacBook, thank you once again. Have a nice day, my dear friend Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you for the comments. Thank you Skyfalls, thank you so much. Now the next one, how to buy. Now connect your web wallet. Start exploring cross connect your wallet web3 wallet which server as your key to the purchasing and holding crypto. Now Spade, thank you so much once again, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो मैकबुक ज्वाइन करने के लिए और मैसेज करने के लिए। तो खूबसूरत से रेड हार्ट आपके लिए भी है, शुक्रा, थैंक यू। नाउ द सिलेक्ट पेमेंट टोकन्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। चलते हैं आगे की जाने सिलेक्ट पेमेंट टोकन की तरफ चलते हैं। फॉर दिस स्टेप टोकन pick and spotted token exchange of S cross from the three available option USD, USDT, USD and USDI on the BSC network, ensuring your wallet has ensuring of your selected token before the moving forward, as this choice determines the assets you will use to buy a cross. Thank you so much once again, make money, आपका शुक्रिया। Now the enter payment amount, thank you। Enter the amount of your choice payment token to buy cross within the ensuring it does not access your wallet current balance. Make money, thank you। Accept to the term use, thank you। Now the accept term of use, receive and accept on your token sale terms and use produce. This ensures you information about the transaction guidance and the legal details. Carefully read and document and check the box to the confirm your agreement. Now the next one I tell you, my dear friend, the finalize the transaction. When read, hit the buy now button to ensure your purchase. Your wallet will ask you to sign transaction to confirm your S cross purchase, verify to details before the shining as the step is final. Thank you once again, the Alvo, the make money, the gate user, and thanks. So now complete purchase once again. Once the blockchain confirms your transaction, you will get to notification with the total cross purchase. Token distribution will now occur immediately upon purchase. The purchase across will be delivered at the later time to consent with the destination tokens. Generation token TJE, the timing and details for which will be the announcement. Third, the official cross protocols communication channels including the Telegram, Medium and official X Twitter for the advance of debate. The token deliver mechanism will be same as start of private contributor. Thank you Nawab Enterprises and Gate User, thank you so much. Now the next one, the unavailable to, thank you. The token sale is not available to US person or entities with the or resident citizen locked in United Kingdom and any members state of European Union, Switzerland, any jurisdiction subject to introduction sections. Thank you once again, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। Now आपके सामने मौजूद है, ये तो बहुत ही मध्यम है, ये नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा। Thank you so much. Now the cross sale, this is the official website of this by their friend Cross Level Up, link in crossover. Thank you once again for joining my dear friend, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो चलते हैं अभी इसके अबाउट क्रॉस की जानिब। थैंक यू अबाउट क्रॉस, थैंक यू सो मच। इंट्रोडक्शन, सबसे पहले इसका इंट्रोडक्शन करवाते हैं आपको। थैंक यू माय लवली फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। द बिलियंस ऑफ गेमर जनरेशन मैसिव value thought play, yet ownership remain locked behind the centralized server. Your time, your skill, your digital assets, they belong to the same Alice. Now trade ends now. The introduction across open new game economy. तो आपके सामने खूबसूरत सी पिक्चर मौजूद है, आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों. You see the beautiful picture of this, my dear friend. Now the future of gaming initiative, just fun, it's freedom. Thank you. Make money. Thank you so much for joining. The Cross Protocols is a powerhouse update for the game incoming blockchain ecosystem, where player on what they earn and the developers can launch tokens economics in the few clicks. Thank you, Skyfall. Now the from in the game gold rate NFT cross protocols and transaction transfer anytime in the assets with the power to go beyond the game. The amazing a world where your sword from you came in triple another wide glide war to their own economy, where is every gamer is on chain pioneer. That world is the real but by game the lover powered by the Web3 and governed by the play who live in it. The cross protocol it is a missing prize of meaning internet and you are invited to shop it is future. Thank you, Tuxia. Thank you so much, Tushkia. Have a nice day, Tuxkia. Now you see, my dear friend, that changing the game. Thank you. I tell you the changing the game, my dear friend. The traction on breeding Web 2 friendly UX with the complex wallets or crypto nonsense, the optimists for the gamer. Thank you, Xwin. आपका भी शुक्रिया. No conceding in first transaction and cheap gas fees. Thank you. Now the next one, my dear friend, I tell you. The simplest for the developers. Thank you. Easy tokenization with no time based on blockchain research. Scalable economy built for the listing in the game value with the adoption driven by the real utility. The next one, my dear friend, now transparency and the fairness. एक और खूबसूरत सी picture, another beautiful picture. Now the building in public built to grow. Thank you, my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Xwin, Get User Friend, Taproot, Cafe, and the Make Money once again 10. So thank you so much for joining. Now the built in the public built to grow. Cross protocol is the committed to the building in public with full transparency and the performance driving growth. All participation, DVCO care contribute including the CEO of Nexus, NEXUS. Thank you, Mr. Bitboy. No time. Thank you so much. Term member and institutional investor and public sale partnership to sporting at the same until launch price. The future funding round will unlock only if pre-determination development and network objective are met and verified from the detail. Please refer to our FAQ. Thank you. तो आगे चलते हैं. Thank you so much for joining. Now once again the fundamental ownership for player. In game it's the issue as a blockchain token giving player full random control and the transferability. Thank you. Development friendly interrogation. Thank you so much my lovely friend once again for joining Crypto Champion. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो आप देख रहे हैं आज का हमारा टॉपिक गेट लाइव अल्फा कैनवल पॉइंट्स प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू और आपको इसी प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू देते हुए तमाम तरह हम मालूमात के साथ आगे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, डेवलपर फ्रेंडली इंट्रोगेशन. द डेवलपर can easily issue on the managed game token using SDKs, APIs, and the trampoline, allowing them to the focus on what they do best. Built by the best. Thank you. Built by the best. Thank you so much. The spreading by the Asian top gaming blockchain leader from the next Vedam Cook and line game cross in set chart of success in adoption. Thank you Skyfall, No Time and other friend. Please follow कीजिएगा, reward लीजिएगा. The transparency tokens, the transparent token max. A fixed 1B token supply with a initiative and the multiplication means for the referrals able for the insider cross in transparency fail and build on long-term sustainability. Thank you to the friend, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. तो अभी आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. Now the cross ecosystem. This is the cross ecosystem. Once again, beautiful picture. Thank you, the Shogo. Thank you so much, Shogo. Have a nice day. Now, once again, you see the cross nexus ecosystem. Now the cross. Thank you once again. The cross is on EVM computable live blockchain built for gaming enable FT and NFT transaction via cross on the cross maintains cross tokenomics. Thank you. The Open Game Foundation. Thank you. The Open Game Foundation is an on-platform organization established in Zug, Switzerland, decided to the supporting to research and development of the cross protocols and related technology. It focuses on the building on sustainable and growth-driven ecosystem. Now the Nexus. Thank you, Xwin. आपका शुक्रिया. The Nexus based on in Korea and listed on KOSDAQ Costa Rica since 2015 has a proven record in multiple platform game development under the CEO Henry Change leadership from the December 2024. It has ready evolved into the blockchain gaming powerhouse, packed total talent from the gaming blockchain. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड. नाउ हम अबाउट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं. अभी आप देख सकते हैं द क्रॉस XDAPP डेपी. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. द कोरे फ्यूचर एंड यूजर फ्लो. थैंक यू सो मच. द कोरे फ्यूचर एंड यूजर फ्लो. The Cross Wallet Initiative and Gaming Ready Non-Custodian EVM Compatibility Wallet with a easy onboarding, secured and seamless receive send transaction with the ecosystem. Now the next one, my dear, DEX interrogation simplified game token sweep. Order book based trading optimize the game token required. Low cost and high speed transaction. EVM complete a L1 blockchain ensure few instructions settlement. Now the gaming specific future. Interrogation cross game assets mobile powered by cross protocol. Thank you Shakura, Mr. Byte. Thank you so much for joining. The next one, the token allocation, my dear friend. You see the ecosystem 15% and the growth unlock 65%, 5% terminal and 20 individual distribution. Thank you. Individual distribution, private and public partnership. Thank you once again मेरे दोस्तों, आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने का. Available to early sports and strategic partner thought provide and the public round this intel allocation ensuring the strategic foundation of competent participation from day one. Thank you. Any remaining token from the public scale will be permission beyond the ecosystem operations. Thank you. Reserve and network sports user agreement, individual community development and participation aims and ensure the ecosystem functioning and scalability. Now the next one, growth unlock protocol. A sustained 65% a total token supply is allocated total special growth unlock pool in designing to fuel sustainable growth by the supporting community driven individual ecosystem initiative and developer grant participation reward and long-term sustainability program. Thank you so much. The next one, my dear friend, the token utility. Now you see the token utility, my dear friend. The Sniper, thank you. And the Khalda Chami, thank you so much. Optimu, thank you so much, our dear friend. Now the token utility. Now you see the खूबसूरत picture, beautiful picture. Gas network fees, medium of exchange, cross-chain, player reward and support of DeFi. Now the developer and exclusive. Thank you. Now the cross is the rewards utility driven token at the core of digitalization Web3 gaming ecosystem designed to transparency, France and scalability power key network function while the allowing and among of all ecosystem converters. Thank you. Now the S. The core service the multiple role from the flexible network operation and rewarding player activity of functionalization cross chain against the transparency. It enables smart contract development, provide and liquidity for the exchange and unlock exclusive community perk. The ultimate utility design ensure that a token is the deeply import all platform activity ensuring the sustainable growth and the health sense. By integration cross into the all critical layer of platform ecosystem, achieve a seamless beyond the functional value exchange and growth initiative sport world of vibration player on game econism. Thank you so much, my dear friend. The next one, the tokens, the क्रॉस टोकन हाउ इट वर्क. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं आपके सामने मौजूद है गेम प्ले क्रॉस एंड अदर क्रॉस. थैंक यू द टोकन होल्डर. थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड. नाउ आवर अलाइज MOU पार्टनर. तो ये इसके पार्टनर है, आपके सामने है पार्टनर. थैंक यू मुश्ताक, स्काईफॉल एंड जब्बारी, खालदा जामी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. Thank you for the supporting, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic, my dear friend. I tell you this is the, and now the games. I tell you the games. Thank you so much. The first way of our games. तो आपके सामने मौजूद है खूबसूरत सी गेम पिक्चर. The Ringer Monster World full trailer. Thank you. The Ringer Monster World. A global successful the playing game RPG from the world famous Ringer IP now leading on cross to the United and Empower Web3 game wood side. Thank you. तो ये खूबसूरत सी गेम ये पिक्चर आपके सामने मौजूद. Once again you see the Rapunzel, the Repulsion. Thank you so much Ripples. खूबसूरत सी Ripples आपके सामने मौजूद हैं. A time massive multiple online role playing game MMORPG classic is the arrival on the cross building 20 years of legacy with the future of Web3 gaming. Thank you so much Warless. Thank you Typing and Skyfall. मुश्ताक आपका भी शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. तो गेमिंग के बाद चलते हैं गाइड की जानिब. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. Now the cross public scale and partnership guide. Binance Web3. Thank you so much for joining. Now, the guide provide a step-by-step walkthrough the participation in the cross-public scale using Binance Web3 wallet and Binance Smart Chain BSC. It is a design to help everyone, including those who are new to crypto native the process method. तो wallet, now you see my dear wallet you need. तो आपके सामने मौजूद है दोस्तों. Set up and Binance account and prepare wallet. You see my dear friend. Now they download Binance and the registration and complete KYC, fund and wallet. Thank you. The next one आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों ये खूबसूरत से ग्राफ बने हुए हैं किस तरीके से आप इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हैं. Across the public scale official Web3 verify identity verification करवानी है आपने. Complete KYC verification है. इसके बाद gas fee support for cross purchase. Thank you. The buy current tokens enter purchase details आपके सामने. Accept to the purchase. Now the important notice. Thank you so much. तो चलते हैं important notice की तरफ. Crypto MacBook. Thank you. Important notice. Thank you so much. The gas fees for the paid and BNB minimum. The gas fees and paid and BNB minimum purchase. The S1 no maximum limit token distribution will not occur immediately upon purchase. To purchase cross will be delivered in the later time to convince with the design token governance event TJE. The timing and the detail of which will be considered thought officially cross protocols maximum and channels including the Telegram, Medium and official X account for the advice of the double token deliver mechanism will be token smart and the private contribute. The token sale of not available to US person to person entries who are the resident citizen are located in United Kingdom and any member of state of the European Union, Switzerland or any jurisdiction subject international association across the token scale will be rejected third identity verification KYC and IP address blockchain private competition in the individual in these innovation. Now the final checklist Binance. तो ये फाइनल चेकलिस्ट आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों आपके सामने मौजूद है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन. तो अभी इसके FAQ की तरफ चलते हैं. थैंक यू. नाउ द FAQ ऑफ दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड. What is the cross? Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. What is the cross? The cross is the simply a multiple focused economy upgrade for the gaming industry. Cross is the protocol allow the development, interrogation, tokenization easy into the other title to exchange cross platform making due to the ownership and the free trade of in-game assets and the reality for the all types of member federal by the utility based on the cross token and the powered by the EVM. Thank you. The next one, my dear friend, how do I fund my purchase? Thank you. Eligible for purchase can pay with the USD, USDC, USDI payment made in the USDT, USD or USDI will equal to the value of $1 US USD registration for the functional USD USD2. Thank you so much, the Shakura. Thank you. The next one, what are the maximum total supply of cross? No more than 1 billion cross will over XX. Thank you. Now the what is the growth unlock pool? Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now a 60% measure of the max supply cross are allocate the pool within the increase of the 5% being released on the circulation direction emails of token and conditions are 150 days must be passed including token unlock and the cross price maximum lodge for the price that the time of previous unlock event for a continued 30 days period. Thank you. Please follow कीजिएगा reward लीजिएगा Sinsec. Thank you so much. The next one, my dear friend, I tell you when the thank you so much. What is the best way to become early stakeholder cross ecosystem? Thank you so much. Now the next one. This is my dear friend, and additionally allocation of 9.6% tokens 96 million cross will be available from the May 15 2025 in public funding round to price of 0.10 per token. Please ensure watch news the update of our official public scale website. Now please note that token will not be immediately available upon the purchase. There will be distribution. Thank you so much. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो चलते हैं अभी चलते हैं आगे की तरफ फाइनल राउंड की तरफ चलते हैं हम. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक है गेट अल्फा थर्ड पॉइंट कैनुअल इशू टू ट्रेड टू शेयर 2000000 क्रॉस एंड अल्फा पॉइंट्स. तो अभी हम इसी फाइनल राउंड की तरफ चलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. यू मस्ट चेक ज्वाइन द बटन पार्टिसिपेशन इन इवेंट रिसीव. थैंक यू. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए, कमेंट्स करने के लिए और लाइक करने के लिए. थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, डिस्कवरी एंड गेट शीटर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू बोथ फ्रेंड. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन सबसे पहले ही मैंने क्रिप्टो चैंपियन का नाम दिया है. नाउ द फाइनल राउंड की तरफ हम चल रहे हैं दोस्तों. आपके सामने फाइनल हम शेयर कर रहे हैं. द रिवॉर्ड one trade cross to get airdrop. Thank you so much for joining once again मेरे दोस्तों. आपका एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. During the event, user who trade cross on Gate Alpha and have a computed by the trading volume of cross not less than 150 USD can receive 150 cross airdrop. A total of 1000 quotas are available on the first come first receive. Thank you so much. First come first receive. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग डियर फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। थैंक यू सो मच। रिवॉर्ड नंबर 2 ट्रे क्रॉस, थैंक यू। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से खूबसूरत सा कमेंट, क्रिप्टो आई थैंक यू सो मच। माशाअल्लाह, अल्लाह ब्लेस यू एंड योर फैमिली विद द endures happiness, good health, and the success to stay blessed always. Thank you so much for the lovely comments. Once again, खूबसूरत से प्यारे से एक बार फिर से कमेंट से नवाजा आपने मुझे क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। आपकी हमेशा से ही बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस रही है। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लवली फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। Thank you so much for joining. Now the reward number 2 cross, I tell you my dear friend, during the event for the kilometer by the trading volume of cross in the gate alpha trading area. Now the next one, my dear friend, the user with the buy trading volume not less than 2000 USD can get 1 gate alpha point. User with the buy trading volume of not less than 300 USD can get, thank you, the gate alpha आपके सामने reward check in the airdrop during the event accumulated a daily 50 cross. Daily trading volume continue to successful. Check in the accumulate 3 days for more. Check in Viva trading allows the participation. Simulate the 50,000 cross price pool with the maximum individual reward being 100 cross. Reward 1, reward 2, reward 3 can be option sustainably user participation multiple first trade on gate alpha trade activity during the same period and can only receive the first traded of the gain alpha. How to participate in alpha? Thank you so much, my dear friend. Please go to the alpha section, search of cross and participation introduction. Now the disclosure, the above token information and contribute by community ensure for the fraction. Please contact customer sports primary. Now note attention, my dear friend, all participation must complete identity verification can before they receive a reward. Number 2, reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the end of event. User entering the gate alpha the first time need to read and complete the initiative transaction declaration and guidelines and sign a relevant user agreement. The token project of gate alpha have scientification risk and fluctuation too, so please invest carefully, please based on the understanding of the risk. Now number 4, the bulk registration of small account massive wise the trading, self trading and the cheating behavior security publicity multiple accounts for the same verification will be trade and same. Now number 5, if the participation multiple holding during the same period reward for the event participation are not supported to the duplicate claims, only the reward in single event participation and supported. Now number 6, if there are any discrepancy between the translate version English version shall prevail. Number 7, the gate reserves sole discretion the right enterprise event for the activity has the right of moderation relevant term of condition. Now number 8, this event is related to Apple. This event is not related to appling user in the United Kingdom and registered location is not part of the service including the participation in the event game or competition. For detailed information about registered areas, please read user agreement. Please not to invite to the secret market and the registered area. Thank you. The Gate team, July 4, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 36 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and clean up. 10,000 welcome reward. Invite friend and 40% commission. Stay content. Visit Gate official website. Download Gate app or desktop. Follow us. X Tutor. Get more. Join our Telegram to discuss trading topic in the global community to the lesson instant transparency and the security of reward. तो दोस्तों आपने देखा आज का मेरा टॉपिक था गेट अल्फा थर्ड पॉइंट कैनुअल इश्यू टू ट्रेड शेयर 2000000 क्रॉस एंड अल्फा पॉइंट्स। तो हमने तमाम तक मालूमात आपके साथ मैंने शेयर की इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से। उम्मीद है तमाम दोस्तों ने इसको सुना होगा और से और जिन दोस्तों ने मुझे फॉलो किया, ज्वाइन किया, लाइक किया, कमेंट्स किया, उनका शुक्रिया। खास तौर पे क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, डिस्कवरी एंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड और भी थे मेरे, उन सब का शुक्रिया। इंशाल्लाह आपसे बहुत जल्द दोबारा हम मुलाकात करेंगे एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ, क्योंकि आजकल हम प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर ही बात कर रहे हैं। तो तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिएगा इजाफा। अल्लाह हाफिज, बाय बाय और अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। all my dear friend today to join my live stream. Thank you so much both of friend. तो इंशाल्लाह जल्दी मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय बाय.